Hon, can we have a quickie?
How quick?
I will lay $100 on the floor. By the time you pick it up, I am done and you get to keep the money.
Deal.
Let's try not to get an erection this time, Richard.
My name's not Richard.
I know, but mine is.
I love you so much, and I don't know how I'd live without you.
Darling, that's so sweet. Is that you talking or the beer?
That's me talking to the beer.
Son, careful, don't bite your fingers off.
Man, screw you, old dude.
Do you drink occasionally or regularly?
I drink occasionally, but the occasions happen regularly.